What is worldschooling? Worldschooling is chasing your dreams. Worldschooling is living life to the fullest. Worldschooling is finding out who you are when you are surrounded by people, places, and events that are not your own. Some people say you need stability. For us, stability is found in faith, family, education, travel, and helping others less fortunate than ourselves. Some people say that you should live in the same house for 20 years and watch the world on your TV. And some people like us say that life is not truly lived until it is experienced firsthand. Worldschooling for us is learning through travel. When you world school, you learn about cultures, people, economics, geography, countries, and most importantly, you learn about love, firsthand. You learn that no matter where you are in the world, the people are the same, that they all just want to be loved, just like you, regardless of politics, citizenship, or religion. You learn that you have family and friends in every culture, country, and city. You learn that you have the tools, the strength, and the courage to make this life your own, no matter where you are. You learn that life is worth living, that it's a gift, worth giving up everything for to chase after. You learn that things and possessions don't really matter, and what really does matter is how you affect the lives of the people you touch on a daily basis. We are the Robinsons. We are a family of 6 with 4 young children. We as parents decided that we were missing out on seeing our children grow up, that we were amassing things that didn't really matter, and that we didn't really need, and that we were going to regret not showing our children how to live their dreams because we weren't living ours. So we sold everything we owned and taught ourselves how to become digital nomads, and now we spend our days making sure our children know that they are loved by everyone, everywhere. We show our children on a daily basis that it's possible to leave your comfort zone, that it's possible to do things and go places that other people are too scared to go to, that it's good to not be comfortable, because not being comfortable makes you grow into a greater person and shows you the strength that you have inside, that sometimes you need to get lost before you can be found. We have spent the better part of 3 years traveling the world with our young children, and they love it. They ask questions like, is this real? Am I really in Rome? Did I really just see the Colosseum? Am I really standing inside the Vatican? Or am I just dreaming? And they're completely serious because the life they are living is so amazing they don't know if it's real or a dream. We are the Robinsons, and we are world scholars.